I've already made $111.06. As you can see from the chart, every 1,000 points equals $1. You redeem your points for cash through PayPal or Venmo. I will show you how at the end of the video. It's easy to get rewarded points by everyday purchases, drive locations, and surveys. Download Pogo app, use my code or sign up link, and get 250 free bonus points once you earn your first 1,000 points. Now to redeem your points for money, click on Earning at the bottom. Choose PayPal or Venmo. I'm choosing Venmo. Press Cash Out. They send you a code. Input code. Press Verify. And that's it, done.